chefs have been making vegan cheese out of cashews forever. Here at Red Star, we did something beyond that, and we used our nutritional yeast, and it really brought the other flavors out of these ingredients that we included in the recipe we have today, which is a Morita Chile Queso. So what we did is we made that cashew cheese, as we mentioned before. We added some roasted tomatoes, chipotles, some sun-dried tomatoes. We added the Red Star Nutritional Yeast, which helped, again, not only bring out those cheesy notes, but it helped enhance other flavors of those seasonings and the smokiness that we had mentioned earlier. The thought that I can make a queso with all this flavor and actually be healthy, when you're using Red Star's nutritional yeast, you're adding fiber, you're adding non-animal protein, you're adding tons of B vitamins to a queso that's vegan and tastes great.
Really good. It's a great eating.